What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below,
Alright,
and
guys.
at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think.
Got it.
Hope you enjoy.
Hey, y'all. I think we're live. Y'all, today we're going to make a quick Valentine's Day wreath with the stuff that was left over from the class that I just taught. So, y'all, I'm going to start with a ficus leaf. The ficus come in a set of 3. So it's real easy to cut up and instantly have your triangle shape. All right, so we're gonna get this built in right here. All right, so y'all, we're gonna make our triangle pattern. You guys know we like a good triangle. All right, so there's our starting point. All right, let's make our bow. All right, so we're gonna start with about a 7-inch loop. Y'all, let's get some pink in there. All right, so we got a cute little bow going. All right, we're gonna get our bow added right on top of that triangle. Y'all, we got our bow done. Let's trim our tails up. Y'all, look, it's already pretty. We're gonna add us a little bit of greenery in here, and then we have a wreath ready to go. Y'all, we're gonna use a little bit of this Walmart Christmas green. All right, so y'all, we're just gonna start adding our green. So y'all, we're just trying to get a little bit of filler in here. So y'all, like these down here are a little squirrely. So we got to trim that in a little bit. Y'all, what I might do is actually, instead of fighting with that, I'm going to cut it off and then reinsert it where it's shorter. Right? So now it looks like it belongs there and not like an extra arm, y'all. So this is a garland from our store, and I'm just stealing little pieces off of it to use in various projects. So I'm going to take a piece of this one and work it into the top of our bow. There. This week. All right, so look how the little garland pieces just kind of show off the bow. So y'all, I am bending these like that so that there's a good place to glue it. All right. Y'all look, there we go. Quick and easy. Super simple. Have a good night. Bye, y'all.